Stop scrolling. This might be the easiest curry you've never made. It's creamy, comforting, packed with plant-based protein and ready in under 30 minutes. Oh, and it's made with humble butter beans. Let's get cooking. So for the ingredients, you're going to need 1 can of butter beans. Any brand is fine. Wash the butter beans, drain and set aside for later. 1 bay leaf, 1 star anise, 1 cinnamon stick, a few ilachi pods, and 1 teaspoon of jeera seeds. 2 teaspoons of salt, half a teaspoon of coriander powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, and 2 tablespoons of mixed masala. You could get this at any spice shop. 1 medium onion chopped finely, a few curry leaves, about 5 or 6, and 2 teaspoons of crushed garlic. Two medium potatoes, peeled and halved. You could also use 1 large potato and quarter them. 1 medium tomato, grated, and a handful of coriander stems and leaves, chopped finely. For the garnish, a handful of chopped coriander. Heat up your pot, add in oil to cover the base. You can adjust this to your preference. Add in the dry spices and allow to fry and infuse the oil, about a minute. Next, you're going to add in the onions and curry leaves. Stir and allow to cook until the onions are translucent. Add in the garlic, stir well, and continue cooking. Add in the spices and salt. Mix well and allow to cook for about a minute. Add in the tomato and coriander and mix well. Cook until the tomato is well combined, about a minute or so. Add in the potatoes and mix well. Then you're going to add in a cup of hot water and mix. Turn down the heat to medium and cook until the potatoes are done. You can test this with a sharp knife. As the potatoes are cooking, keep checking to see if you need water. You can add in a little at a time. Add in the butter beans and mix. Add a cup of hot water, mix them all together and allow to cook for another 10 minutes. At this point, the gravy will be nice and thick when your curry is done. After 10 minutes, the curry is now done. Look how beautifully thick is the gravy. For the final step, add in about 3 tablespoons of melted ghee or butter and mix this in well. This will make the curry deliciously buttery and the taste will be on another level. Garnish with coriander, mix in, and you're ready to serve and enjoy. Do you enjoy cooking beans this way? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you for watching.